Okay, so now that we're kind of through the process and we know which things we're going to be using in our actual paper, which sources we're going to be using in our actual paper, we want to make sure that we can get those correct citations to the works cited. And so what we're going to do is we've got our list here and we're going to tag these, like these are the power sources, and maybe you didn't use everything, maybe you had a few extra sources that you ended up not actually using those. So what you can do is you can go over here and you can click the tag button. You can primary, secondary, tertiary sources, those aren't as necessary for us right now. We can color code them. So if we make this one red and this one red, we can say, okay, now those I used in my paper, the first and the fourth here. And so now we can go over to print, and we won't print first. We're going to create a Google Doc. So we want to click on the print button. That's the export button. And we're going to print or export to Google Docs. So we're going to click that. And we want to pick either all our sources, which would mean every source you had in your list. You can select primary, secondary, tertiary if you would have happened to select those. Those would work for like a history class probably. For us, we picked red. So now we just want the red sources, and we're going to click submit. What this will do is it will ask us for permission to our Google Docs. I've already given it that. And now you can see I have a works cited here with the correct formatting for these two sources that I selected. Now I can take these and I can copy and paste them onto my source page or my works cited in my actual document that I've written, on the PowerPoint for the slides that I'm going to be using, or whatever I need to be using them for. So make sure that you have this document, and if you're submitting this, this is what I want to see. I want to see this final works cited as its own document to show me that you've created that. So if I'm asking for that, then this is the document. You'll rename this to fit your class expectations and then submit this one to me in Schoology. So there you go. It's that easy.